Hey guys, so I bought this jacket on eBay and I got it for really cheap. The only thing that came about it was the zipper. It didn't have a zipper, that's one thing I didn't read. I read somewhere about how you cannot fix something that has missing this thing. So I tried to do a little bit more research. YouTube videos said I couldn't do it. Anyhow, I ordered something on here. Ordered on Amazon, zipper repair kit. What it comes with is a couple of these zipper stops. Right there. And it comes with a zipper box. And the zipper insert thing, I guess, it goes in. So it was designed to one go into the other. And you're supposed to somehow do that. I bought the wrong zipper size. Apparently this is like a 8. And I put this size zipper on my jacket and it was just way too big. So this is a zipper repair that I bought, a zipper slider, and it just doesn't fit. So what I had to do was take this guy, hold it down in my vice grips, and I took a pair of these guys and then went in and just worked it until I was able to bend it back and forth, and that's how I ended up with this zipper box. So that was the original zipper box, and here's the one with the piece off. So how does that make sense into the jacket? Oh, I'm gonna situate the jacket like I have it on. And I had to pick one of these sides. So originally when I got it, it looked like this side right here. I had to take a pair of these these little angle grinders, and I was able to snap off one side of it, and that came off. And then what I was able to do was to get it to fit and slide on right there. So I got the fitment, and what I'm going to use is, I don't have any super glue. I'd probably use some super glue. But first things first, get the zipper slide onto it. And then I guess I'm just going to use, all I have is shoe glue, which seems to work as a pretty sticky adhesive for it's pretty permanent, but I've had shoes come apart from it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Even this is almost pushed, so I've got some goop on there. What I'm gonna do is put it on. So there's a pretty good amount of goop on there, and I'm just gonna push that down. It's a little sloppy, but for me, I bought this jacket for $20, 10K millimeters, so I'm just gonna let that dry. And but just to show you, once it's on, it's there. Now I have a zipper with a zipper box, and there's that. So now I have a zipper that doesn't pull away. The problem I had was I was able to get the zipper slide on, but without a zipper box, your bottom zipper is just going to keep on separating off the bottom. So I don't know. I hope this helps any of you folks out. But yeah, now I have a jacket with a zipper box on the bottom. So hopefully this stays. I'll keep you guys posted on it. So, but yeah.